Entertainment systems. All units are equipped with a 12-volt or 110-volt entertainment system, which include TVs and DVD players. To use the entertainment system, turn the engine off and remove the keys from the ignition. If your unit has a 12-volt system and won't turn on, check and charge the auxiliary batteries as well as the fuses. Units that have 110-volt systems require campground or generator power. If the unit won't turn on, ensure that the power from the campground is turned on. And if using generator power, verify that it is in good working order and reset the circuit breakers. If the TV does not have a signal, scan the channels from the TV menu. For cable TV, ensure that the antenna booster is turned off. For antenna reception, turn the antenna booster on.